Hello, my name is Marcus. Welcome to Trimble. I'm the sales area manager here for Germany. So I'm happy to show you our latest product releases. I have here our Trimble R580, our newest GNSS receiver. So that means we put all the Trimble power for GNSS into our entry-level receivers with that. So this is following the R2, which was a big success in the last year. So this is the latest edition of that R580. So we have the full Pro Point power included here. So for really best measurements under harsh environments, let's say, under canopy and so on. So this is really cool. We also introduced this year IonoGuard, which is a technology as part of Pro Point, which prepares our customers for solar activities that will come in the next years. So again, harsh environments, solar activities, the solar cycle 2025, our customers will be prepared for that with IonoGuard. To my right, you see the Trimble X9, which is our newest laser scanner. So just the completing, let's say, our laser scanner X series, from starting with the X7, now the X9 and the well-known X12. X9 means it has all the best features that came up with the X7, so the auto calibration, auto leveling features that are unique on the market. We just doubled some of the features, some of the capabilities, so double the range, double the speed, the point speed. We measure up to 1 million points per second and in a range of 150 meters. And again, all comes with these well-known and really best features in the market, like auto calibration and auto leveling, and is part of our workflow coming with perspective, Trimble perspective. So the workflow that leads the customer to a complete point cloud in the field. So really the good feeling to come back to the office and everything is really there and everything is really registered. This is what we offer to our customers with the X9. And in addition to that, the booth is full of cool new software features around, for example, IFC model-based workflows, so 3D models that can be used really for all things surveyors do today. And everything is connected with Trimble Connect. So this is what we show, all the field to office, office to field workflows that have been completed this year. Trimble XS is our core software for field applications, and we show how we do this with monitoring applications, how we use that in rail surveying, and how we use that in, let's say, everyday use cases of our customers. So we try to streamline the workflows from the office to the field, from the field to the office. So one of the best features so far in Trimble XS is that we can support 3D objects, IFC models for the typical everyday workflows of our customers, of the surveyors. So things like the plan you see here on the floor and the same plan we have here in our field software, Trimble XS, can be added, or we can add the 3D objects to that. So Christian will show that this is not just a 2D map and a 2D plan, it's in 3D, and we also can add the IFC objects to it. So now you see here the Brandenburg Gate, so we are in Berlin. This is the Brandenburg Gate that we added here into our booth at Intergeo. And you can just use this model, mark points. You can construct some additional points or lines, whatever you want to do with the 3D object, and then go and stake out this object. And the 3D objects is not only shown here on that map. We also can use the camera of our SX12 total station. So we can use augmented reality in Trimble XS just to create more visibility, let's say, in the field, and really be easy to use. So now you can see, okay, we are here standing on our map. We have the 3D object in the background and use augmented reality features in Trimble XS.
We are here at Intergeo this year in Berlin, and at Intergeo we just announced a new version of T4D. T4D is our monitoring software, automated monitoring, and the latest version 6.5 features 3 key highlights. So one of the highlights is rail monitoring. If you're doing rail monitoring, you are typically interested in certain parameters, something like cant or twist, which gives you all the information about your rail track. And we have worked on nice visualization capabilities. You can alarm on those values, you can report this information, and we have also added different methods to do so, right? So some of our users would like to use total stations for that. If you're interested in positional sensor information, you can use total stations with prisms together with an as-built survey, but also without an as-built survey. So that's actually the news of this latest version, right? We also support tilt sensors that you can use for rail monitoring. So these are the highlights for rail monitoring, right? The second thing is we now support acceleration sensors from Syscom. Acceleration sensors are typically required if you do dam monitoring, for example, or if you monitor buildings and structures. So acceleration sensors really can detect even natural frequencies of a concrete structure, and so we can also address this requirement now as of this version. And the third big topic is an Active Directory integration, especially if you think about big construction contractors, for example, that have many different software packages running, a building information modeling system, for example, or an inventory management system, and whatever, right? And you would like to add T4D to that IT environment. It is a requirement that you do not have application-specific credentials, but you can use your corporate credentials to also look into T4D. So these are the three top highlights of the latest version 6.5, just announced at Intergeo. Thank you.